This is not a normal planet. It's a cosmic monster, so massive it makes Jupiter look like a toy. How big do you think it is? Let's put it into perspective. Neptune is about 58 Earths in volume. Saturn is roughly 750 Earths. And Jupiter, the king of our solar system, can fit over 2,100 Earths. Sounds huge already, right? But that's still nothing. Because out there exists an exoplanet called HD 100546b, a true giant. In 2015, when astronomers first observed it, they were shocked. Nearly 1 million kilometers in diameter, more than 7 times wider than Jupiter, big enough to hold about 450,000 Earths. If you divided its surface among everyone on Earth, each person would own land the size of a small village. But here's the craziest part. Despite being enormous, it's surprisingly lightweight. Scientists found some regions hotter than 600 degrees Celsius, others colder than -200 degrees Celsius. And its density is actually lower than Jupiter's. In other words, it's basically a giant inflated gas balloon floating in space. So why is it so puffed up? Because this planet is still a cosmic baby. It's only about 5 to 10 million years old, extremely young by cosmic standards. Right now, it's still aggressively pulling in gas and dust from the disk around its parent star, and it's continuing to grow. But here's the big twist. Some scientists suspect it might not even be a true planet. With a mass around 20 times Jupiter, it sits right on the dangerous boundary between a gas giant planet and a brown dwarf. If it were just a bit heavier, it could have become a failed star. At this point, its most likely fate is a giant brown dwarf, not a true star. Even so, HD 100546b is incredibly valuable to science. Out of the 5,000 plus exoplanets humans have discovered, very few are still forming right before our eyes like this one. It's basically a live planetary laboratory in space. And who knows, in the future, could we discover a planet even larger than the Sun? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.